Hey guys, we got our new SMB cold air intake here. This is a model that fits a 15 through 18 F150 5.0. And we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and kind of take a look at what you get when you order these things. So right off the bat, SMB is pretty good at their packaging and they get everything packed in really nice. You see there's all sorts of paper and plastics and things to buffer the area and keep stuff from shifting and scratching up. First big piece is, of course, your main intake snorkel, and they've got this all rubber banded here. Get that open. Yeah, that's a really nice molded plastic piece. It has the threaded inserts in there and everything to get your lines and your sensors all attached. And then next we've got this, which is actually the clear plexiglass piece that sits over the top of the intake box so you can see your filter from the top. And then they include the little seal and some stickers and instructions in here as well, it looks like. So there you have those pieces. And next, there we go. We've got a couple of the couplers that they tuck in here. And SMB's silicone couplers are actually really, really nice. It's one of the things that's exceptionally good in the quality of their kits. And if you haven't seen it, you should check out, we have a video actually of some of the guys here at the shop trying to tear these things, and you'd be amazed how much abuse they can take. So we'll put those up front. So obviously one of the most important pieces here is gonna be in this box, and that is the actual filter itself. And so it's boxed separately with its own little packaging in here, more paper for you. And the kit that we opted for has this oiled reusable filter. You can get them with just like a dry replaceable filter as well if you want, but we did like that this can be cleaned and re-oiled for whenever we need it, and it's pretty good since we're gonna be driving this in the dirt. Then up here we got another silicone piece. That'll be kind of the inlet to the intake box, and some hose clamps for you. Then last but not least, the actual housing itself. So this will be the part of the box that holds your filter and where the snorkel connects, and this will replace the entirety of your factory intake box that's sitting in the truck currently. There we go. So you can see this is molded out of the same plastic that they use for the rest of the kit. Super durable, kind of just black textured. It looks pretty nice and factory under the hood too, which is good. You don't look like you botched something together at your house when you install one of these. It definitely fits and belongs in the truck, and we've had good luck in the past with installing SMB's products. So all together here, we've got the intake box, the filter, the snorkel, couplers, hardware, hose clamps, everything you need to get it installed. And this is a kit that runs around the $300 mark, so really the bang for your buck here is pretty good. You get all the equipment you need in that, and it's cheaper than some of the other filters on the market, while still being really, really high quality.